Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be fairly impromptu. I haven't really rehearsed what to say. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम कि exactly क्या बोलना है. But I'm just so happy and I want to share with you guys that my latest poetry collection, I'd Like a Bit of the Moon, is now available on Amazon, and you can check the Amazon link which I will provide in the description. So I just want to introduce my new poetry book to you guys, and I'm just going to read a bit from the book. I'm not going to read the entire poems because I actually want you guys to go and buy the book and take a look for yourself what is exactly there in the book. But I'm just going to read a little bit. I'm just going to throw in some teasers, read some lines from some poems, and then you can listen to these lines as a whole and see if you like the poetry, if you find the poetry beautiful. And I'd like a bit of the moon. So as the title suggests, there's probably quite a bit of the moon in my poems, and it's not something which I've done consciously, but subconsciously I am very attracted to the moon and the moon imagery, the way moon has been used by famous poets like the British poet Ted Hughes, for example. So the kind of intensity that moon brings in sort of poetry, and there are a lot of new ways in which moon imagery can be used in poems, incorporated in poems. So I'm fascinated by this sort of multifaceted, we can say the multifaceted hues of the moon. The moon can be used so innovatively in poetry, so I've tried to do that. Now, of course, there's not just moon in the poems, there's a lot of other things. And these poems are basically reflections on love, life, creativity, society, a lot of things. And my typical style is, you can say that I use a lot of imagery, and then through my imagination, I have a very strong world of the imagination. I have a very strong dream world, and it is through this fantasy world, through this imagination of mine, that I try to explore real life situations. So my poems are more like social commentaries in real life situations. I do write narrative poems as well, but then again they're more into the realm of the fantastic. It's more written in the fantastic and the imaginative mode. You won't really find sort of any direct confessions about love, life, relationships, or any direct any direct that kind of narrative in my poems. I like to use a lot of imagery, and I like to say things a bit indirectly. So I'm just going to read like some lines from a couple of poems, and then the water reflects not just the lovers and their caresses, but also the sonorous dilemma of their precise positioning in the world. The water reflects not just the lovers and their caresses, but also the sonorous dilemma of their precise positioning in the world. She wanted to see the face of things, and I becoming glances, and then becoming receptacle of other eyes. The mad rush of fire within the bone's secret chambers, becoming rain-like, soft, warm, lashing, and then becoming the magic of rain, swallowing the streets like fire. Sounds press against my ears, sounds press against my ears. Hands try hard to weave a basket, a moon, or just a face in calligraphy. I dream of colors dance all around, and flames settle down with colors in a slightly wayward pattern. Breathing, a numbness of the mind settles it all. After putting in so much of effort in creating a poetic reverie, in prose, it is. I'd like a bit of the moon in my wardrobe, just to even out things a bit. No high decibel moonlit romance drama, no loopy caricatures of moon-infested nights, no wasted soliloquies of a clever but stupid half-moon, no bellicose declarations of a hawkish moon warrior. All I'd like is a bit of the moon. So, as you saw, I just mixed some lines from every poem, and from a couple of poems, I read a few lines each from a couple of poems. And if you do like my poetry and are motivated to buy this book now, please do check the Amazon link in the description part. Thank you so much for listening, guys. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon on the top right hand corner to get regular notifications and updates on my videos. Thank you so much.